Dakota Micro. Let's see what we got today. It's like Christmas. Oh yeah. All right, we got our bracket.
Yeah, I'm curious too, actually.
Oh yeah. You got some good wires, multiple cameras,
Oh yeah.
power source.
Yeah.
Oh wow, check that out. A few set screws. Oh man.
Yeah.
Look at that. That
Nice.
is rad. That is way small. Oh yeah, that little small monitor. Oh, these brackets. More brackets. I don't know what to do. There's a little slide. There's one that should slide in there.
So I think, so these are all for the back. So this is like the shield for the back. The camera can go in here or here. So it depends on what bracket we need to mount that in. So, gotcha. Okay. Sweet. I guess we'll figure this out.